What made you finally cut off contact with your parents? I finally cut contact after my grandmother's funeral. My mom spent years telling me grandma hated me, didn't want to see me, and wished I was never born. I believed her and stayed away. At the funeral, I found all these birthday cards in grandma's drawer while looking for something. It was cards she tried sending me over the years that my mom had hidden. Each card had mentions of money inside and the sweetest messages like, I miss you so much. Please come visit. I don't know why you hate me. The last one broke me. It was dated just weeks before she passed away, with a note saying she always loved me and hoped I come see her one day. I confronted my mom right there. She just shrugged and said she did it to protect me because grandma was toxic. All those years of her controlling who I could talk to, lying about family members hating me, making me dependent on her, it was all manipulations. Sometimes I get messages from relatives saying I should forgive her because she's still your mother, but I can't forgive her for stealing those years with my grandmother. The worst part is knowing grandma died, thinking her grandchild hated her, when really I never even knew she wanted to see